In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as JPEG in Canva. Let's get started right inside the Canva editor. First, make sure you've opened the design you want to download. This could be anything you've created in Canva, a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or a thumbnail. Take a moment to confirm everything looks the way you want it to in the editor, because the JPEG you export will reflect exactly what you see on the canvas. Once your design is ready, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. Even though it says Share, this is also where Canva keeps the download options. When the Share menu opens, you'll see several choices. From this list, click on the option that says Download. This will open a panel or drop-down where you can configure how you want to export your design. At the top of this panel, you'll see a field labeled File Type. Click on that field to open the list of available formats. Canva usually defaults to PNG or PDF, but for this tutorial, you want to look for and select JPG or JPEG. Once you click it, you'll see that JPEG is now your chosen export format. Now, before you hit download, take a moment to explore the additional settings below. Canva often gives you options to adjust the size and quality of your image, and sometimes to limit the file size. Increasing the size will give you a higher resolution image, which is useful if you plan to print your design or need a very clear image. Just keep in mind that larger sizes will create bigger files. Next, look at the quality slider, if it's available. Higher quality will produce a sharper image with less compression, which is ideal if you want your design to look as clean and professional as possible. Lowering the quality can significantly reduce the file size, which might be helpful if you're uploading to a platform with strict size limits or sending the image by email. If you see an option to limit file size, you can set a maximum size in kilobytes. Canva will then automatically balance quality and compression to stay under that limit. Once you're happy with all these settings, scroll to the bottom of the panel and click the Download button. Canva will process your design, and your JPEG file will be saved to your device, usually in your default Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design as a JPEG.